What is up? What is up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing today? So I'm doing a different live this morning. My stream software is kind of acting funky, and I can't pull up like particular menus when I'm trying to stream. I don't know if anybody knows anything about OBS. Reach out to me. Maybe we could hop on a Zoom call or something one-on-one. You guys can help me with that. Cool. Cool. So anyway, um, this is how I'm gonna do this live today. Uh, won't be on here long. Just gonna go over some things that we've talked about on the previous live, and then maybe find, you know, what's going on, maybe a couple setups and stuff like that. So here's what we're gonna do. And right here. So first things first. I think on a live I had spoke about Euro NOK getting down to this weekly demand area and giving us a nice push to the upside. And if you can see right here from that weekly area, this has given out 400 plus pips from that area. So really good to watch. But now sitting at this area here, now we are at the previous month's high. And we've been bouncing off of this high once and then twice. So maybe we can see some bearish action. We do have a range that's happening right now from here to here, right? So this is our range and price. So maybe we can see price, look to get back down into this area sometime. Excuse me. Maybe we can see that get back down in that area sometime. Euro GBP, what are we looking at here? We had the previous month's high. This got ran through. I've been predicting that it could go higher, slightly higher than the previous month's high. Because there is liquidity that needs to be grabbed here. And now you can see also that, well, my line isn't the straightest, but you can now see equal highs in this area as well. So I think this will come back up and take that liquidity before going in its intended direction, whether that be higher or back to the downside to fill this, all these fair value gaps down here to this demand level. So we're going to be watching that. We're going to be watching that. We might be able to get a rejection here, depending on what happens later in the week. We do have, let me check here. Let me put at least the orange back on. So not much news today. News tomorrow. Double folders, guys, back to back. USD folders, 7:30 sharp in the morning. Be ready for that. be ready, be waiting for that. We'll be watching GBP and the Euro on that as well. Euro USD. We did talk about this on a previous stream. We had this weekly supply area, this weekly order block that we were looking at. It has now gotten up into that area, and it's giving us a pretty significant rejection so far this week. Let's see, market opened here yesterday. Yeah, price flew up into this area, and now we're getting a minor rejection from that area to possibly continue bearish. As you can see, this has been, you know, bearish as it ever can be. So we're just gonna keep going with the flow here. There hasn't been any structure that has been broken. No broken structure, no broken structure to the upside, none to the upside. Had a liquidity grab here and then a push down, so no broken structure to the upside. And once again, liquidity taken, prices rejecting from a higher time frame supply area. And we're just gonna sit and see how things go here. So hopefully everybody can hear me. Not sure. Okay, yeah, it's good. Bitcoin has been going well. It's really been in a range. You can see here, kind of in a range. But I still predict this to get up here to the upside. So. But yeah, really what I'm waiting for is really news tomorrow. And we'll see where things take place after that. But really, nothing too exciting going on in the markets right now. It is Monday. We do have double folder news tomorrow, and this should give some movement to the Aussie here with the double folders on the employment rates and unemployment rates. Those usually tend to be a pretty decent factor of giving the market some volatility to move. But let's see. But yeah, that's pretty much it on my analysis for things. This is another reason, guys. This is why I always preach to you guys. to not look at a lot of pairs, right? Like literally 5, 6 pairs. Look at them, study them. Even if you're studying and back testing and doing whatever, like it's always better um, to get comfortable with less pairs, right? Like um, less is more in trading. Less is more in trading, always. And you guys see how long my lives are. They're not very long. Other people will spend hours looking at every single currency pair and then go back to that currency pair and forget what they were even looking at, or you know um, forget a setup that they had, or anything along those lines. Like you're just hindering yourself more than actually progressing. Less less is more in trading. Always is always a factor, and that's always going to be true, right? So I'm gonna hop off here, and I'll catch you guys in the next live. I'll post a link to my chat down below. Make sure you join that. um, I still need to figure out what to do with this streaming. I might if you guys are in the group, good. If you're not, click that link, join the channel. I might just be actually putting in Zoom call links in the chat, and we might just have to start doing lives like that. I also noticed that on one of my previous lives, uh, you guys were trying to send me messages in the comments, and I didn't see any of those messages at all. So I think Zoom is a lot more accessible to be able to see your guys' messages, your guys' questions. You guys want to chat it up, um, whatever. It's a lot more accessible. I did like the vibe of streaming on YouTube, uh, but if my software is going to act funky, um, then I don't really want to mess with it. Um, it was a good experience, but we're just gonna figure out what to do from here. And also, don't forget, guys, I'm back to uploading. Trying to upload every Friday. I got that fire advanced market structure series um, coming out. Got a 13-part series, and it's this PDF right here. So this is my PDF, right? And I go through literally everything. So this PDF and this series here should really get you guys in line with structure. And once you understand structure, the basic movement of the market, it will help you understand a lot more of other things that you either need to understand or you maybe quite don't understand right now, right? So this will definitely help you. Once I post the last video in the series, I'm going to send you guys this PDF as well in my channel. So once again, I'll have that link down in the description box below. If you're in the channel already, shout out to you. If you're not, join that shit, and let's all learn and grow together. But I'm gonna hop off here, and hope you guys have a good rest of your day. hit that like button, subscribe, give me a comment down below on what you guys want to see next. Um, you guys want me to start sending in Zoom links in the chat, and we can, interact that way. I'll be more than happy to do that. So, uh, hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. So, peace out.